Hi everyone. So I'll show you the our room here in the Address Beach Resort. First of all, we need to open it. And it's not opening. Wait. Here we go. And so I have to put the keys there, and all the lights are on right now, switched on. And here I was told by the room boy how to to navigate everything. So everything can be navigated through this iPad. So like for example, so for even the lights are being navigated through this iPad. So if I want to turn on the light at the entrance here, then the living room there, everything's through this iPad. So there are like several iPads within this room. By the way, we got upgraded to junior suite, so I'm so happy about it. So I'm really liking this place, even if I'm just here for like less than an hour. So here we have the refrigerator, and it's filled with wine and everything. So it's interesting. Then we have here the snacks, drawer for the snacks, and drawers for the coffee and tea. And the tea is actually TWG. See, nice. So it's not just any tea. So what else do we have here? We have here wine glasses. Oh, I can open the wine. Okay. And we have here a small powder room, which is quite ordinary. And of course an espresso. And what is this? It's a welcome gift. Oh, a pastry, welcome pastry with gold. So, and I also have a letter, which is surprising because we just came from downstairs and it just took us like less than 5 minutes to check in. Then I have a letter now. Anyway, okay, so this is the living room, and this is the balcony. There you go. You have a good view of the Ain, but it's not working, I think. And of course, it has its own beach. I'll show you later. And for the bedroom, very nice. The interiors are very nice, and you can see the bed looks very comfy. And as you see, we have the view of the sea, of the Ain, and of course the pool. If you look at the pool, there are like 2 pools, so we can use that. And there's one infinity pool upstairs. Nice, and it has its own beach area, and of course the bags and the slippers. And what is this? This is the what do you call this? Powder table. And we have here a bathtub, very nice bathtub, but I think it's half a tub. It only fits me, doesn't fit probably like anybody bigger than me. And it has here a shower room. Nice. And the number 2. The room for number 2. And here, while you're doing your number 2, you can see the Ain, you can see the sea, you can see the yachts, everything. This is so nice, really nice. And you can see everything. It's like the view is the best. And what else? Yeah, I'm so happy that we came here. So that's it. And hopefully we'll have a nice 2-day stay here.